Professional PCB design software can cost thousands of dollars, putting it out of reach for hobbyists and students. KiCad is a powerful, industry-standard PCB design tool that's completely free. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to download and install it on your Windows computer. To begin, just open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type KiCad download and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first one from KiCad.org. This will redirect you to the official KiCad downloads page where you'll find everything you need to get started. From this page, you will see different options according to the operating systems available. Since we are using a Windows PC, let's click on the Windows option to proceed with the download process. Before downloading, I highly recommend reading carefully the system requirements for this software. It is important to verify any software's compatibility with your PC specifications before installation to avoid potential issues later. Alright, to download the installer, scroll down a little bit to see the download options available. For most users, click on the link from GitHub to get the latest stable release. The KiCad installer file will start downloading immediately. This is a large file, around 1 GB in size, so it can take a while depending on your internet speed. So, be patient until the downloading process is finished. When the download is complete, locate the installer from your Downloads folder. Then, double-click on the installer to launch the installation wizard. A welcome screen will appear, so click Next to continue with the setup. The installer will ask you to choose who can use KiCad on this computer. Select either for anyone who uses this computer or for me based on your needs, then click on Next to continue. The next step is to select which components you want to install. To ensure you have all the features and libraries available, keep all the boxes checked, then click on Next to continue. Finally, you'll be asked to choose the installation path for KiCad. The default location is fine for most users, so I'll click on Install to begin the installation. The setup will now extract and install all necessary files. This process takes some time, so simply wait until everything is fully installed. When the installation is complete, you'll find the KiCad shortcut icon has been added to your desktop. If you want to launch KiCad immediately, leave the checkbox checked and click on Finish to complete the setup. You will get a welcome dialog that contains settings and path configuration options. If this is the first time you've installed KiCad on this computer, select the second option to create a new configuration, then click OK. As you can see, KiCad is now ready to be used on your computer, and you're all set to start your PCB design journey. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!